Your body does incredible things every second. But how much do you really know about it? Let's test your knowledge with 30 questions. Which organ can regenerate itself after damage? How many bones does an adult human have? Which muscle works non-stop throughout your life? What percentage of the human body is water? Which organ uses the most oxygen in the body? What is the strongest muscle based on force exerted? Which blood cells help fight infections? What part of the eye controls how much light enters? Which mineral is essential for healthy thyroid function? How long does it take for your stomach lining to renew itself? If you're enjoying this quiz so far, hit the like button and let's continue. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? What is the largest type of blood vessel? Which organ produces bile? What is the smallest bone in the human body? Which system controls hormones in the body? How many chambers does the human heart have? What carries oxygen in red blood cells? Which organ helps detoxify chemicals and metabolize drugs? What is the main function of platelets? Which part of the body produces new blood cells? The last 10 questions are coming. Share this quiz and challenge your friend. Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? What part of the ear helps maintain balance? Which organ is responsible for filtering waste from blood? What is the average resting heart rate? Which part of the skin gives it color? How many pairs of ribs does a typical human have? Which gas is exchanged in the lungs for oxygen? What is the longest bone in the body? Which part of the nervous system connects brain to body? What is the primary function of the small intestine? That's the end of our human body quiz. How many did you score out of 30? Comment below and subscribe for more science challenges.